Back at the restaurant, the chef prepares his famous lobster roll, and I'm all geared up to eat it. As crazy as it sounds, with all the foods I've tried and eaten, I've never had a lobster roll.
Some garlic, a little bit of sea salt, fresh ground, nice texture, a little crunch, and we do it really, really fine with it. Now, this is a female lobster. You can tell by that it's flanned out, but the other way you can tell right here on the female, the legs are very soft, and as I always call it, the hips don't lie. They flan out on these. So the best way for these, for shucking the lobster, obviously, we just snap the tail off, snap those off. I reserve these to do a lobster bisque, snap the knuckles off, and I'll save those as well, and I use that meat in the lobster bisque. Cut them down the center.
It's starting to get quite busy in here, but since the chef went out of his way to not only show me where he sources his seafood and then took the time to make me the special dish, I just have to have a toast with him, and what's better than local beer and wine?